So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can listen to live air traffic control towers in real time. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for live atc.net. You can do the same steps from your smartphones as well. Now, once the site gets loaded, here you have to write the code for that airport of which you want to listen to that data. Now, for example, if I write there LAX, then it will search it and give me the report of Los Angeles International Airport. And here you can see multiple flight data have been generated that I can listen to any of the ATC contacts here. Just simply hit on this option of listen, and let me just quickly click on this option of listen in browser, and it will take some time and start the feed for me uh, for that particular ATC call. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.